Hey yo, what's up? What's happening? It's Pam, and right now I'm in a state of mind. I wanna be. Yo, what's up? What's happening? It's FAM. So for today's video, I am going to do a Valentine makeup look kasi it's already February 14 to 22 in the morning. Nakakilay na ako kasi very important na mag-start nakakilay and naka-foundation na ako para mabilisan lang to. And yung look na gagawin ko, like for example, di ba, mas uso ngayon yung pop na colors, like red, violet, then pop of color ng blue, ganyan, dark something, then haluan mo ng black eyeshadow. So, my color is dark red, and then I'll be mixing with a black eyeshadow, dark eyeshadow, yes. So, let's start. I'm going to do my contour, and di na lang ako ano tawag dun, yung stick. Gagamitin ko is more this one, dark. So, you need to mix well. Doon ako titingin. Emphasize natin yung nose. Kasi, y'all! Black eyeliner, ilaline ko para may guide ako sa eyeshadow. Ito. Lower eye. Yung line ng lower eye mo, kukonect mo lang siya dyan. Para hindi siya, out of the window. Medyo maroon tayo. So that's it. Dark brown, and then hanapin ko yung crease, 'di ba? Eh wala akong crease. Yeah. So ganyan muna siya, ganyan yung kalalabas. Lalagyan ko na siya ng pop of red.
Parang magiging liner ko yung color ng red.
I'm sorry for my hair kasi medyo hindi ko alam kung ano talaga hairstyle ko for this look. This is called the Electric Love. Electric Love tayo dito eh. Ang gold dito.
Masyado naman kasi, Pam. Okay naman.
Ang hirap pag makeup. Lalo na pag meron kang hooded eye.
Hindi na.
Or hindi ko lang talaga alam kung paano lang. So, the next thing, medyo hindi pa ayos yung eyeliner niya. So, I'm going to use yung pencil liner para mas madali siyang ikalat. This is the right track. Like, guys, ito na yun. So, more on like pinkish and then naging gold. I'm going to use this Focallure. So, for this look, I don't want to emphasize yung mascara kasi mas bagay dito is falsies. But, pag tinatamad ka, like me, hindi ko siya lalagay. So, mas gusto ko emphasize yung eyeshadow. Yan, may pink. And then, sa taas yung parang gold na glittery na din. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko lang yung ginagamit. Yung Strokes Beauty Love. Love! And this one in the shade Copper. Ang ganda nito. I love the shade talaga. Yan, ganyan yung color niya. Actually, masyadong heavy kasi yung eyes. So, We need something like nude sa lips para hindi siya masyadong, alam mo yun, balance lang. So, I'm gonna use this one. And yeah, I think this is my final look. Buhok ko, hindi siya nakikisama. Hindi ko alam kung anong hairstyle ko. Alright guys, this is my Valentine look. And it's very not that girly type na pag nakita nyo is, alam yun. I think this is the end of my video. I hope you guys like it. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Ayoko na. Tutulog na talaga ako.